In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on sensitive warning on iPhone. This can help you manage exposure to potentially upsetting or inappropriate images and videos by providing a warning before you see them. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On your settings page, you will want to scroll down onto this option of privacy and security. You will then navigate onto this option of sensitive content warning. Make sure to enable this option. You will also turn on this other option of improve sensitive content warning. This feature offers greater control over your digital experience, allowing you to decide whether to view flagged content. Well, that's how easy it is to enable sensitive content warning on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.